Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. If you love easy budget friendly Christmas craft that look absolutely stunning, you are in the right place. Today we are making amazing Christmas decoration using simple durable lab. Yes, that's humble fabric that can transform your home into a cozy rustic wonderland. Make sure hit the subscribe button and turn the bell icon on so you don't miss out next DIY holiday projects. You can also visit our channel. There is lots of amazing DIY projects, homemade craft, recycled items, and making transform into a luxurious Christmas ornaments. Alright, let's start with the what we will need for this project. Here is the material list: durable lab fabric on ribbon, hot glue gun and glue stick, scissors, a few small ornaments or pine cones, twine of thin rope, cardboard or old gift box for base shapes, optional white lace, glitter, bells or fairy lights for that extra sparkle. Before we begin, make sure your workplace is clean and you have got all your materials ready, because once we start gluing, things move fast. So Rustic Lab Christmas tree. Let's start with our fast and first craft. Oh, mini Lab Christmas tree. Take a piece of cardboard and roll it into a cone shape. Secure the edges with glue or tape. Now take your jute burlap strip and start wrapping it around the cone from bottom to top. Keep the fabric slightly overlapping for that natural layered look. Once the cone is fully covered, trim off any extra fabric and glue the tape neatly and clear. You can decorate your tree using teeny ornaments, pine cones or bow wood from twins. If you want to make it shimmer lightly, brush some glue and sprinkle a little gold and silver glitter, and there you go, your rustic mini Christmas tree in ready. It is perfectly for the table decoration of your fireplace mantle. Christmas wreath. Next, we are making classic Christmas wreath using jute burlap cutout circle ring from cardboard that will be our base. Take a long strip of burlap and start wrapping it tightly around the ring until it's fully covered. Now comes the fun part: decorating. Add some pine leaves and red berries and a few teeny ornaments using your glue gun. Tie a big bow from burlap and place it at the bottom center of the wreath. You can hang it on front door or even use its wall decoration. Your windows it's bring such a warm and inviting touch to any space. So our next idea is super cute and useful burlap gift pouches. Cut a rectangle burlap, fold it in half and glue the sides, leaving the top open. Now use strings to tie the tab like a drawstring. You can decorate it with lace, small bells or wooden buttons. These little pouches are perfect for gifting for your friends and family and cooking the small handmade gifts, and they give such a lovely rustic charm. For this one you will need any empty glass jar, candle holder, wrap it with string or burlap, secure it with glue, add some lace ribbon around the middle and small twist bow. You can also glue on the teeny pine cones or cinnamon sticks for the holiday scenes and book. When you tight the candle inside, the soft glue through the burlap creates the coziest Christmas atmosphere, absolutely magical. And there you have it, of four amazing jute burlap Christmas craft. They are simple, beautiful, and totally budget friendly. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. I love hearing your ideas and seeing your vision of this craft. If you enjoy this video, please give a thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and subscribe my channel. And I'm really very appreciated and thankful to you for your support. Your support is energetic vibe for me, and I'm very thankful to you for your lovely support. And I really need your support, so please keep supporting, keep watching my channel. If you like more ideas and more DIY projects, please visit my channel. There is lots of DIY projects, step by step tutorials. If you like our video, so please share with your friends and family, and share your thoughts, your suggestions. I love to work on it and update in next video, especially for you, as per your demand, as per your suggestion, your comments.